Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate SSH on your VPS using PuTTY, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by finding and downloading PuTTY from the official website. Once downloaded, install PuTTY on your computer. Open the PuTTY application. In the PuTTY configuration window, locate the hostname or IP address field. Enter the public IP address of your VPS in that field. Ensure the connection type is set to SSH. The default SSH port is 22, which should be displayed in the port field. Next, click on the Open button at the bottom of the window. A terminal window will appear, prompting you for your username. Enter your username and press Enter. You will then be prompted for your password. Type your password carefully, noting that it won't display on the screen, and press Enter. If this is your first time connecting to the VPS, a security alert may appear. Review the alert and click Yes to proceed. Once logged in, you'll have access to the command line of your VPS. Now, to activate SSH, check if the SSH service is running. Type in the command sudo systemcll status SSH and press Enter. If SSH is not running, you can start it using the command sudo systemcll start SSH. To ensure SSH starts automatically on boot, use the command sudo systemcll enable SSH. You can verify that SSH is active by retyping the status command. If you see active, running, in the output, SSH is successfully activated. Remember to adjust your firewall settings if necessary to allow SSH connections. Congratulations, you have successfully activated SSH on your VPS using PuTTY. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.